Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube lag and freezing in Google Chrome step by step. If YouTube videos keep buffering, freezing, or playing slowly, these settings may help improve your browsing and video playback experience. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, click on Privacy and Security from the left-hand side. Next, click on Security. Scroll down until you find the Advanced section. Make sure that Use Secure DNS is turned on. Then, click on the drop-down menu next to it. Select With and choose Google Public DNS from the list. Now let's move on to the next step. Click on the search bar at the top of the settings page and search for acceleration. Look for the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn this option off. After turning it off, click on Relaunch to restart Google Chrome and apply the changes. Once Chrome has restarted, open YouTube and test a video to see if the lag or freezing has improved. If the problem continues, you can also try clearing your browser cache, disabling unnecessary extensions, or updating Google Chrome to the latest version. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix YouTube lag and freezing in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome and YouTube troubleshooting tips.